In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send design to phone in Canva. If you've just wrapped up a design on your computer and want to instantly view it on your phone, this is the quickest and most reliable way to do it. We'll keep it simple, and I'll point out a few tips so everything goes smoothly the first time. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're looking at the design you want to send, not the home dashboard. At the top right corner of the editor, you'll see the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all the options for exporting, collaborating, and sending your work. Click the Share button to open the sharing panel. In that panel, look for the option that says See All. This expands the full list of sharing choices so nothing is hidden. Click See All, and you'll find an option labeled Send to Phone in the Share section. Go ahead and click Send to Phone. Canva will generate a unique QR code for your design right on the screen. Now pick up your phone and open the camera. Point it steadily at the QR code on your computer screen. Most modern phones recognize QR codes automatically and show a banner or link at the top of the camera view. If it doesn't appear right away, move your phone a little closer or farther, make sure your computer screen brightness is high enough, and avoid glare on the QR area. Keeping the QR code centered and in focus usually makes the scan happen instantly. Once the code is recognized, your phone will prompt you to open the link. From there, you'll be taken straight to your design so you can view it on your mobile device. This is especially handy if you want to preview how graphics and text look on a smaller screen, share the design in a conversation, or keep it handy for quick reference. As a best practice, make sure your internet connection is stable on both devices so the link loads quickly. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Share in the top right, hit See All, choose Send to Phone, and scan the QR code with your phone's camera. It's fast, secure, and perfect for moving your work from desktop to mobile without emailing files or downloading anything extra. If you follow these steps, you'll have your design on your phone in seconds and be ready to review or share on the go.